Shut up and sit down.
10 lines on Ordnance Factories Day for kids, children, school students and competitive exams in English. Set 1. 10 lines on Ordnance Factories Day for kids. Set 1 is helpful for 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th and 5th class students. Number 1. The Ordnance Factories Day is seen on the 18th of March each year. Number 2. The creation of India's most established ordnance factory, which is at Kosipur of Kolkata, was begun in 1802. Number 3. This day is commended by showing the rifles, weapons, cannons, ammunition, etc. in displays all over India. Number 4. This festival begins with a procession and the presentation will likewise show photos of different mountaineering endeavours. Number 5. The day is used as an occasion to affirm the Ordnance Board's commitment to the country by methods for guaranteeing excellent items for India's military. Number 6. This day is seen by displaying the significant weapons fabricated in the industrial facilities. Number 7. The foundation of India's defence creation, Indian Ordnance Factories, was initiated on 18th March 1802. Number 8. The day begins with the showcase of firearms, ammo, rifles, ordnance and so forth in displays all over India. Number 9. A few exercises are coordinated on the day, introduced by the industrial facility representatives. Number 10. Normally the shows of celebration are available to all. Set 2. 10 lines on Ordnance Factories Day for school children. Set 2 is helpful for 6th, 7th and 8th class students. Number 1. The Ordnance Factories Day is commended each year on the 18th of March to stamp the first arms plant's establishment at Kolkata in 1802. Number 2. It is commended with extraordinary enthusiasm in all the arms production lines of India. Number 3. The festival incorporates banner lifting by the plant's senior supervisor and from that point promise by labourers to serve the country. Number 4. Various classes, board conversations and meetings are also coordinated on efficiency and quality on Ordnance Factories Day. Number 5. A show of arms industrial facility items like little arms, aeroplane weapons, firearms, rockets, military vehicles are orchestrated by all workers. Number 6. Ordnance Industrial Facilities Day festivity joins together and brings a sensation of harmony among the labourers. Number 7. On the event, a few social government assistance exercises are coordinated for workers. Number 8. The occasion is coordinated by staff, labourers and officials of the particular plants and the agents of workers' organizations and affiliations. Number 9. Various honours functions is also coordinated to encourage the workers for their exceptional assistance. Number 10. Ordnance Factories Board has founded different classes of a grant like Ayudh Bhushan, Ayudh Ratna, Ayudh Shri, Ayudh Devi and so on. Set 3. 10 lines on Ordnance Factories Day for higher class students. Set 3 helps the students study in classes 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th or preparing for competitive exams. Number 1. The Arms Production Lines Day festivity means to honor the most established mechanical manufacturing plant run by the Government of India, the Ordnance Factory Board. Number 2. The Ordnance Factories Day festivity likewise incorporates the procession function alongside banner lifting. Number 3. The procession function alluded to as Prabhat Feri incorporates a metal band that plays pleasant tunes of Ordnance Factory song as a festivity piece. Number 4. The presentation show of guns, rifles, firearms and guns at different arms processing plants across India is regularly open to all people. Number 5. Various systems are arranged during the occasions on Ordnance Factories Day to modernize the plants present cross-country. Number 6. The day is likewise celebrated by leading procession service by the weapons plant authorities across the country. Number 7. The social exercises like singing, moving and band execution is additionally being coordinated as a piece of festivity of Ordnance Factories Day. Number 8. The festival helps us the obligation to remember committed officials and workers who assume a fundamental part of the nation's security. Number 9. The festival additionally represents the significance of the Ordnance Factory Board, which is likewise viewed as the nation's fourth arm of defense. Number 10. One of the Ordnance Factories Day festivity targets is to make consciousness of arms and ammo being produced at the manufacturing plants among the overall population.